likely to receive more Iranian drones from the UK Ministry of Defence. It is likely that Russia has depleted its previous stockpile of several hundred Iranian drones and is now receiving supplies, the UK Ministry of Defence said in a report on Friday, adding that the information remains to be verified. For the first time in 3 weeks, there have been reports of an attack by Iran sending a one-way strike OWA unmanned aerial vehicle. This event remains to be verified, but it is likely that Russia ran out of its previous stock of several hundred Shahed 131 and 136 and has now received a resupply, the report said. On December 6, 2022, the General Staff of Ukraine reported the downing of 17 UAVs, including 14 Shahed 136, according to the report. A day later, on December 7, Ukrainian officials reported the use of an Iranian OWA-supplied UAV targeting the Zaporizhzhia and Dnipro oblasts, the UK Ministry of Defence said. The Zaporizhzhia region is home to the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant, Europe's largest nuclear power plant, which has been under Russian occupation since March, resulting in the site being the target of repeated shelling. Ukrainian authorities are sounding the alarm that this is a Russian provocation that threatens security. Representatives of Russia's Rosatom company, which currently manages the occupied nuclear power plant, issued fictitious documents using the names of Ukrainian employees at the facility and stole the money allocated to them, the Ukrainian Military Intelligence Service reported in early December. The UK MOD report also mentions that the last previously reported Iranian shelling of Shahed 136 in Ukraine was on November 17, 2022. If verified, it is likely that Russia has restarted strikes with its newly delivered OWA UAV system. In early November, Tehran said it would supply Moscow with thousands of state-of-the-art Arash-2 drones.